to craft in Sons of the Forest. So there are two completely different systems, one for handheld items or your inventory, and one for the structures, which is your handbook right here. So here are the main methods that you will constantly use. So if you want to make like spears, armors, and molotovs, just open your inventory and you will see this gear icon where you hover to it. You will see recipes that you could use. So let's say you want a molotov, so you will need a cloth and one bottled vodka. So let's try to add one and also our cloth right here. And notice that this gear icon shows if you can craft an item or not, since as you can see it's grayed out right here. But if I click the cloth, the gear icon pops up, which basically means that we can now craft the item. So right click on the gear icon and it will just basically craft the item just like that. So you could either equip it or remove it to place it on your inventory right there. And you could also craft arrows from here. So if you want a firestone arrow, you will need a cloth, 4 wooden arrows, and a vodka bottle, and a bunch of other stuff. You'd also craft medicines by using different herbs. And you could also upgrade your equipment right here. So let's say you want to upgrade your pistol, so you could do it right here on your inventory. And you could also create armor by combining bones and stuff. So the next thing, of course, is for buildings and furniture. So press on B on your keyboard and it will open up your guidebook. So there are 2 modes that you could switch from. So if your book is on the right hand, so this is for the custom building. So there are no blueprints right here. So it's just basically a guide that you will need to follow. So as you can see, it says that you will need to place a stick vertically, then add the skull, then use your axe or something to make the spearhead or the head of the stick to look like that. And next, if you hold on X on your keyboard, it will transfer the book in your left hand, which is basically the blueprints part. So let's say you want to create a small log cabin, or let's say a small platform right here. So I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see, it will show this blue outline where you can place it wherever you want. So let's say I want to place it right there. And you could also rotate it if you want by holding Q or R on your keyboard and left click to place it. Now what you want to do now is add the material. So it needs 5 logs and 5 planks. So press E once you have the materials. And once it's done, it will just basically show up like that, which is of course a much easier way on crafting things compared to the custom building part, since you just basically need to add the required crafting materials for this one or for the blueprint. And lastly is the 3D printing, where if you go to like bunkers, you will see printers right there where you could craft 3D materials like the flask, grappling hook, and the sled mesh. So as you can see, the flask looks like this, and also the printed grappling hook right there, and a bunch of other stuff like the 3D printed arrows and stuff. And that is how you basically craft in Sons of the Forest.